Here I have Cubot P50, and today I'm going to show you how to change volume buttons function in camera on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then tap on the gear icon to access its settings. And here you can change volume keys, so you can set them to capture, zoom, or just volume. So let's set them to zoom and try this feature out. So as you can see now, with volume keys I can zoom in or zoom out into this flower. Unbelievable. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.